In this video, I will show you exactly how to access and use the powerful new VEO model presets inside Google Flow to enhance your video creation process. Many people stick to the default settings, but knowing how to switch between different presets can significantly change the output of your generated content. To get started, you first need to look at the main interface where you normally enter your text descriptions. Right next to the prompt box, you will see a small icon that looks like a settings gear. Click on that gear to open up your configuration options where you can fine-tune the engine performance. Within this menu, you will encounter two primary options for the VEO model. The first preset is called VEO 3.1 Quality, which is designed for those who need high levels of detail, cinematic lighting, and superior texture in their clips. This is perfect for final projects where visual excellence is the priority. However, if you are just prototyping ideas or need to generate content quickly, you should select the VEO 3.1 Fast preset instead. This option prioritizes speed over intricate detail, allowing you to iterate through different concepts in a fraction of the time. Once you have made your choice, simply close the settings panel and your selected model will handle the next prompt you submit. Switching between these two presets ensures that you have the right balance of efficiency and beauty for any specific task you are working on within the platform.